Opencloudware is an open PaaS solution, a platform as a service designed to manage the whole lifecycle of virtual applications. Opencloudware architecture allows cloud service providers and DevOps teams to build and to deploy new applications on private, public, or hybrid clouds based on the end-user service level agreements. Let's start with the user registration process. Opencloudware portal eases accounts creation and management for all organizations involved in the cloud project. Opencloudware single sign-on module grants access to the platform functions according to the end-user administration rights. Now a secured authentication can start. The same web-based interface is used to describe the potential infrastructure on which our virtual application will be deployed. For each cloud provider, we just have to declare an infrastructure name, an URL endpoint with its credentials, and some other specific parameters. We can now create our new project in a few mouse clicks. For instance, let's build a Webstore project. Using OVF modular drag-and-drop operations, we can now build the three-tier application. All we have to do is to select components and to link them together. The application stack is described through a Spring Boot template. This template defines the software stack that will be installed on the virtual machines, including the operating system, native packages, and application bundles. In this particular case, we have defined an application bundle consisting in 3 Debian packages. To configure images and disks, we are using this template specifying disk capacity and other technical details. Then comes the network configuration, where we define the network topology. A virtual machine is customized in a few clicks, providing CPU and memory, storage, and networking information. Finally, we specify the application's parameters, for example, those for the Apache server and the MySQL server. The OVF template is automatically generated with the configuration we will use. We can export this template to save it in a safe place and reuse it later on. Applications are simple to manage and to deploy with Opencloudware portal thanks to OVF templates. These templates are independent of the target cloud that will be selected later for deployment. We can evaluate the cost of the application once it will be deployed in the cloud. Here we are simulating an OpenStack infrastructure used during 31 days. As a result, we obtain a price range and an average price for 1 month of operation. To start the deployment of our Webstore application on OW2 OpenStack infrastructure, we just have to click on a Deploy button. The Sirocco dashboard provides a clear view of running instances. Our new deployment manager and our three-tier application are progressively appearing as each module is starting to run on the cloud infrastructure. We can also check the deployed instances through the OpenStack dashboard. In this case, we can see the Apache website and a Spring Boot image. To connect to the deployed Webstore application, the end user just has to check in the right server through its URL. Once logged into the Spring Boot application, he can use the provided services as he would do with any other SaaS application. Thank you for your attention. The Opencloudware team will be glad to answer your question.